How to log in Netflix on your phone. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, we will learn how we can log into Netflix on our phone. So without any further delay, let's get started with today's video. In order to log in Netflix on your phone, what you have to do is go ahead and then first of all, make sure to launch the Netflix application. And this is normally the typical interface that you'll be able to see. You can choose one of the saved passwords that you've added for Netflix, as you can see, and choose between multiple passwords. Otherwise, you can sign in manually. So tap on the sign in button from the top right hand side of Netflix app. Then there you can simply type in the email address of your account, then also type in your password. If you're not sure what password you typed in, you can tap on this I button and tap the sign in button. You can also use a sign in code instead of typing in with your password, or if you forgot your password, you can tap the forgot password button. It will take you to the page where you can reset it by using your email or SMS. So I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.